Have you ever wondered how some people just go radio silent and then they show up completely reinvented, so aligned with their higher purpose, and you're just like, what the hell happened? I have not seen you in 2-3 months, but damn, I am in awe. I am obsessed. You are doing your damn thing. That's what I'm going to talk about today. We're going to talk about how to elevate your life and become that girl. Because if you want to go slow, don't watch this video, warning. But if you want to go fast, if you want to achieve massive results in a short space of time, this is the video for you. So let's get into it. I'm excited about this one. Girl, it's time. It is time to go ghost. When it comes to leveling up, we know who's really doing the work. You know who I'm talking about. You try to reach out to her, but you just can't get a hold of her. You hop on social media, and there she is, showing the F up. You have no clue what her next move is because she's not talking about it. She's out there doing the damn thing. Locked in, focused, putting in the work. Meanwhile, you're giving so much of yourself to everyone else. On the phone to your besties, going to every brunch, going to every dinner, attending every single event like the good friend you are. Filling up everyone else's cup. But who's filling up yours? It's time to wake up and take a hard look at where you're at and where you truly want to be. Are you living each day just to get through it, or are you living every day on purpose, working towards your dreams and goals? Maybe you've even forgotten what those dreams and goals look like. Maybe you're so caught up in showing up for everybody else around you that your passions, your dreams have taken a back burner. But here's the harsh truth. Clarity can't be found in chaos. It can only be found in calm. And sometimes the only way for us to find that calm is through isolation. And that's why it's time to go ghost and lock in. Life is overflowing with distractions. Our phone is constantly buzzing with notifications, calls, messages, emails. We are consistently being distracted, being pulled left, right, and center. There is just so much noise, and the world never stops talking. It never stops demanding. But all of those distractions, they're thieves. They are stealing your time, your focus, and your energy. So I want to ask you, when is the last time that you sat with your thoughts? No phone, no TV, no background noise, just you. When was the last time you listened to your own heart, your own desires, your own dreams, your needs? Going ghost doesn't mean disappearing forever and cutting off our loved ones. It means taking a step back and focusing on ourselves for a little while. Filling our cup, realigning with our greater vision, our purpose, our impact, our passions, and coming back even stronger. Because while we're out here being distracted by everybody else's needs, everybody else's dreams and lives, nobody's gonna come and do the work for you. Because sometimes you need to hit pause on your outer world so that you can tune into your inner world and find alignment within. You need to be disciplined. You need to be consistent. You need to show up for yourself. And if you truly want something different, you need to do something different. So either you can keep doing the same things, repeating the same habits, and achieving the same results that you have right now, or you can go ghost, realign, lock in, and go after your dreams. And here's the thing that nobody tells you. When you are in stillness, when you are in calm, when you are in peace with your own thoughts, it's only going to bring you closer to your purpose. It's only going to bring you closer to your passions, your dreams, your goals, the version of yourself that you inevitably want to become. Now, I do this multiple times a year. My friends know it by now. I go ghost, I lock in, I get hyper focused on who I am, what my dreams are, what my goals are, and I go after it. I make major moves. This is where I make the most progress because you are isolating yourself from others, which, as much as we love our communities, our friends, our families, our peers, there are going to be people that are maybe going to have some limiting beliefs, some preconceived notions of what you are capable of achieving because they've only seen you achieve to the point that you're at now. But we know you're destined for more. This is not it. This is not the peak. This is just the beginning. So if you truly want to become everything that you know you're destined to become, and I believe that if you dream it, it's because you can achieve it. Sometimes you need to block off external stimuli, external thoughts, limiting beliefs, people's opinions of where you should be. Because when you start showing up and becoming a version of yourself that may not fit into the comfort zones of where those people around you believe you to be, they'll start saying some things that might make you question yourself. You may still get there, but it'll be slower. And I don't know about you, but 2025 is around the corner. I'm ready to become her. I'm ready to step into that next level version of myself, to elevate my life, to become the it girl of my life. And I'm done waiting. I'm done playing small. I am not going to shrink myself to fit into the comfort zones of those around me. And even though they may come with love, it may be from a perspective of protection, of fear of you being unsafe, walking an unknown path. I want those opinions to be left to themselves. That's none of my business. Their opinion is none of my business. I am focused on me. I am focused on where I want to go. And that is, I think, the magic of going ghost and locking in. The fact that by isolating yourself, you're truly able to align with your greater vision. And also you are able to not let anybody else's opinion slow you down. I get it. You're going to have people that are super close to you that you want to include in this. And sometimes you might. I know my husband's on board with all of this. He's my biggest supporter. My parents, they know all of my dreams. But anybody past that, it's none of their business. They'll see it. They'll celebrate with me. They'll love on me, the ones that are the right ones. But on this journey of becoming, on this journey of success, there will be people that will think, why you and not them? It may not be from a place of malice, but jealousy and envy is a part of the process of elevation. And I just want to keep my head in the game. I want to have my blinkers on. I want to be focused on the race, because that race is only against me. And that is truly the power of ghosting and locking in. So I challenge you, make yourself your priority. Don't start January 2025. New year, new me. No, by January 1st, I want to be hitting the ground running. I want to be in my flow. I want to know where I'm going. I want to know what my plan is. I want to be aligned energetically with that version of myself. And I want to be doing the damn things already. And if you're watching this, you probably do too. But at the end of the day, it's a choice. Most people don't want to ghost because they want to be in the know. They want to know what's going on with that one and that one. They want to be at the brunches, be at the dinners. They want to fill their time scrolling on social media, looking at what everyone else is doing, comparing. They want to get the opinions of others in whether this is the right choice. But that's going to slow you down. That's going to keep you distracted. That's going to keep your brain filled with the noise. And with the noise comes the overwhelm, the chaos, the overthinking, distractions. So choose well. I choose peace. I choose calm. I choose me. And I hope you do too. Dive deep to figure out what's important to you. Focus on self-love, self-discipline, and showing up for yourself every single day. And what's meant for you is truly meant for you. So go after it. Go all in and go get that dream life. Go after your goals. Be the inspiration that you wish you had. Lead the way and show them. So it's time. Put down the phone, put away the distractions, and lock in. I cannot wait to see you go after your dreams. I am Terri-Leigh. I am so excited to get back into these YouTubes with you guys. I took ghosting a little bit too seriously. I didn't ghost to realign, I ghosted to hide. I started this YouTube channel and was super consistent for a couple of months, and I started to see success. Yeah. Few of my videos started to go viral, and that scared the ish out of me. I'm not going to lie. I used to laugh at the notion that people are scared of success until I realized that that is exactly what happened to me. The moment that I started to actually see progress, to see an incredible community like you guys on here, I shunned away. I ran away. I bolted, actually. And I'm not going to do that anymore because it's not about me. It's not about my insecurities. It's about me showing the F up for you and showing the F up for the version of me that needed a voice like myself, that needed someone that looked like me, that spoke like me, that dressed like me, that showed up and spoke about the things that I love to speak about and the lessons that I've learned. So maybe she didn't have to go through all of the drama that I went through. But today I'm super excited to talk to you about how to elevate your life and to truly go after your dreams, to be on purpose and to go all in. So thank you so much for watching this episode. If you are ready to go ghost and lock in, let me know below. I want to hear from you. I want to hear about your journey and what your main focus is for the next little while. Let's support one another. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, check me out on Insta. I'm a lot more active there. Let's be friends. Let's go ghost and lock in, because it's time. It's time for you to become the best version of yourself. It's time for you to start showing the F up, and I cannot wait to see you shine. Lots of love. I'm Terri-Leigh, and I will see you next week.